Okay, guys, we've got kind of a quick scalp opportunity or possible scalp opportunity. It's not going to be the biggest trade in the world. It's only going to be for about 5 pips. Well, it is only 5 pips. Just drop that in. I would look at this again, maybe it's a bit later. This is what's called an extended market. So what I'm looking for is it to just push through this level here, 5 pips. Now let me kind of explain where that all comes from. A little bit like trying to explain to her where the credit card bill comes from.
She appears by magic.
She genuinely thinks we've got a magic tree in this house. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm tracking this here. Now, kind of red light, green light scenario is a question mark. But what I do have in my favor, even though this is extended, is +1 -1, which is multi-time frame around an hour, is telling me it's pretty good to go. Okay, but because it's extended, in other words, it's pretty darn stretched, I'm going to have to downgrade it, and this does it for me based on its current ATR, and it's going to bring it in at about 5. Okay, so if you look down here, it'll tell you what the ATR is, 120, which makes a minimum standard trade about 13 rather. But because it's a scalp, it'll downgrade it into sort of less than half of that, and that's because I have a thing down here where it decreases and increases. Okay, works everything out for me. It is pretty darn good. So why am I taking the trade? Well, I've been following this morning for the guys. Just pull this across here. If we come down into sort of our scruff, he asked if I would look at pound Aussie. I certainly will. Haircut, that's what we've been doing today. Now in the market update early this morning, we start here. I've completed that trade on small account. Also tells you the strengths. We have a look at the news, see what the news is all about, and then I started tracking this earlier on. Okay, keeping an eye on this market for them. So you pull it up there, and there it is. There it was really extended, running into the 8 o'clock. I don't trade the opens because the opens are dangerous, so I left it. We checked it again. It was a little bit late coming out of the live call, but caught up, and it was still there, giving me this, and it's just an opportunity to go in, get a few quid, and then get out again. All right, so I do track these through. The guys also follow the tracker. Now that's the whole thing getting made up. Then this is the trade ideas as they are forming, running through the day till it's the point to go to market, which we are now. It's currently in profit, and we just need a little slam down to here. I'll look at it again at 10 o'clock if this catches through, but that's it. So in the meantime, let's see if we can play this one out. Okay, guys, that's the job done. Quick little scalp there for the guys as we've been tracking. That is there, just running on from yesterday. Got a little bit of more work to do. James has asked me to do oil, so keep half an eye on the channel. You probably see oil. Now, what we're looking at here is one of the reasons why I'm really careful. There's that green candle coming in. because it is extended. There will be a push up coming, but there was an opportunity for a quick scalp, and that's it. So that was for you, haircut. All done, track through. Keep them coming, and I'll keep tracking them down for you. Catch you soon.